Implementing Critical Manufacturing MES already enabled PREH to have additional visibility over our operations, and also we gain the ability to optimize our processes in the shop floor. I'm Rui Castro. I'm IT Project Manager at PREH Group.
My name is Christoph Rauch. I work as Project Manager in the Global Manufacturing Department at PREH. In PREH we have several production processes, for example injection molding, painting, laser etching, printing, SMD production, also final assembly.
Automotive is a demanding industry and requires IT systems that are always keeping up the pace, delivering the business needs.
Critical Manufacturing is the provider for the MES solution we selected to make a global standard production system. The system will provide to our colleagues at the shop floor right key figures to evaluate our processes and implement improvements based on them.
Managing the project through an agile framework enables us to have functional releases since an early phase of the project. With that, we were able to have multi-site rollouts since the beginning.
One of the strongest arguments is their advanced planning and scheduling tool, which supports not only the long-term planning, also the short-term planning. Additionally, the IoT connectivity they offer is out of the box, and they are able to provide for PREH specific developed solutions. Additionally, the experience from critical manufacturing in the SMD and semiconductor industry is a huge benefit for PREH in implementation in SMD area.
Critical Manufacturing MES enable us to have one solution in all productive areas and allow us to have an holistic overview from the different sites' main KPIs. Additionally, this MES has benchmark capabilities such as the fact of being HTML5 based, which makes it ideal for multi-device use.
The understanding to work as a team is clearly visible from both sides. For sure, during a project there are always challenges, but up to now we were always able to overcome them together.
We at PREH are confident that selecting Critical Manufacturing as our MES solution partner was the right decision.